Okay, time to go outside. What can I do outside? I mean, I could go to Jimmy's John's. Yeah, Jimmy John. No. Ow. Is there anything in here? Whoa. No, doesn't look like it. I better get out.
My name's Hide and Seek Penguin.
Oh, hi. I'm trying to find something to do.
You didn't warn me about this hole.
Sorry. Okay, maybe I'll drive my construction site car. Okay. Time to go.
Let's go.
Ow. Maybe I'll try that later. What else can I do? I'll go climb the tree. Okay. Let's see, where else can I climb? Oh! Whoa! Need a break, I'm tired. I'll jump into this bush. That didn't quite work. What else can I do? Maybe I'll jump into this spiny tree. Ow! Maybe I'll jump in this tree. That spiny one really hurt. Ow! It's okay. Jump through this way. Ow! Okay. Did that. Now, where else can I go? I'll keep looking around. Maybe I'll walk around the house. Yeah. Whoa! That was scary. Maybe I'll jump up. No, I don't want to jump up there. Just walking. Ooh, mysterious forest. Have to go in it. Looks suspicious. Or shall I say, sus. ROLIE, you are sus and being voted off the ship. No! ROLIE was voted off the ship, but he came back now. So, yeah. Ow! So many bugs. Okay, gonna keep walking. Keep walking. Swing on this wall. Keep walking. Till we've almost walked around the whole house. Ow! Why did I just say ow? Who knows? Let's go. Okay, I finished walking around the whole house, but what shall I do now? Okay, where else can I go? I could drive my truck, but I don't really want to. Whoa! Oh, where did I appear this time? Oh no, it's taking me back! Maybe I'll go have a donut. That'll make me feel much better. I can't even open the door. What? I have found them. Let's try them. Chef ROLIE. Alright, I need a pan. Nope. Okay. Chef ROLIE needs a chef hat. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Here's my hat. Thank you for my hat, but it doesn't work. Before I have it, I need to have some mouthwash. Remember to always swallow. I also need to have some gum. Make sure to swallow these too. Oh no! Okay. Nah! You are going to be voted off the ship again if you don't wash your hands. We'll be right back. Alright, here's my donut. Okay, now I have my donut and I'm going to go sit down. Hopefully I'll get this as a thumbnail shot because I love donuts. Donut.
So good.
Time to take a bite. Delicioso. Yummy. This dog thinks it's good too. Okay, I'm gonna go back outside. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it was so delicioso. Oh my gosh. Okay, now time to go outside. Back outside at least. No more Chef ROLIE. So Going on a mission. Go. Ow! Ow! Going on a mission. Maybe I'll go in a bucket over here. Let's go. Okay. I'm actually in here. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Maybe I'll go climb the tree again or something. I don't know. Okay. Wah. Oh! It landed. Wow. Okay, maybe I'll drive my scooter. You know what? No. I'll go through this portal thingy again. Because it seems like it worked really well with that penguin dude. 3, 2, 1. What? Ow! I'm dropped yet. Whee! Ow! 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 We'll try that again. Ow! 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 Ouchie! 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 Well, hope nothing else happened. Ow! Oh no! Ow! I need to go to hospital. Maybe it should be the end of the video soon. So, yeah, I'm not going to pause as much. So, jump in the tree. Ow. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to end the video off here. So, make sure to subscribe and like. But if I make this land, then the video keeps going. For a minute. I knew it. So, goodbye, my people. And I'm going to walk back inside now. So, yeah. Have a nice day and make sure...